Hello, little explorers. Welcome back to Children Knowledge Hub. Today, we are going to learn about a flower that shines as bright as the sun. It is orange, it is yellow, and you see it at almost every festival. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It is the marigold. In this video, we will learn why this flower is so special, why farmers love it, and how it travels all around the world. Let's jump right in. First, look at the color. Marigolds are usually bright orange or yellow. These colors are so warm and happy, just like the sunshine. If you touch a marigold, you will feel many layers of soft petals. It looks like a little pom-pom ball. And have you ever smelled one? It has a very strong and unique smell. Some people love it, and some bugs hate it. We will talk about that in a minute. Did you know that marigolds are like superheroes for other plants? Farmers and gardeners love planting marigolds next to their vegetables, like tomatoes. Why? Because the strong smell of the marigold chases away the bad bugs that want to eat the vegetables. It's like a natural bug spray. So, the marigold protects its friends in the garden. Isn't that cool? Marigolds are famous all over the world. In India, we use them for every celebration. During festivals like Diwali or Dussehra, we make long chains called garlands to decorate our homes and temples. They represent good luck and happiness. In Mexico, this flower is known as the flower of the dead. But it's not scary. During the Day of the Dead festival, people believe the bright orange color guides the spirits of their family members home. Marigolds aren't just pretty to look at, they are useful too. Long ago, people used marigolds to help heal cuts and make skin feel better. If you boil marigold flowers, the water turns yellow. People use this water to color clothes and fabrics naturally. Farmers feed marigolds to chickens. Why? Because it makes the egg yolks turn a bright, healthy orange color. Time for some quick fun facts. Fact number 1. The name, marigold, comes from Mary's gold, named after Mother Mary a long time ago. Fact number 2. Marigolds love the sun. They grow best when they have lots of sunshine. Fact number 3. You can eat some types of marigolds. Some chefs sprinkle the petals on salads to make them look colorful. So, the next time you see a bright orange marigold, remember, it's a garden superhero, a festival decoration, and a sun lover. Question of the day: what is your favorite flower color? Red, yellow, pink, or purple? Tell me in the comments below. If you learned something new, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Children Knowledge Hub. Thanks for watching. Keep blooming like a flower. Bye-bye.